Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Chrysler Pacifica. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always park your vehicle on a level, firm surface, like concrete, and fully engage the parking brake. It is also crucial to place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. For precise instructions, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Now, let's find the front jacking points. These are typically reinforced areas on the vehicle's frame, located just behind the front wheels. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact spot. When using your floor jack, ensure it has a flat, stable saddle to distribute the weight evenly. Never position the jack on any suspension components, as this can cause serious damage. Moving to the rear, you will find the jacking points located just in front of the rear wheels. Similar to the front, these are reinforced sections of the unibody designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. Take your time to position the jack carefully, ensuring it is centered and stable. This prevents any potential damage to your vehicle and ensures a secure lift. Once the jack is correctly positioned, slowly raise the vehicle until the tire you are working on clears the ground by a few inches. This provides enough clearance for your task. Immediately after lifting, place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame at the designated support points. Then, gently lower the vehicle onto these jack stands. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.